Psalm 41. Blessed is he that considereth the poor. Yahuwah will deliver him in time of trouble. Yahuwah will preserve him and keep him alive, and he shall be blessed upon the earth, and thou wilt not deliver him unto the will of his enemies. Yahuwah will strengthen him upon the bed of languishing. Thou wilt make all his bed in his sickness. I said, Yahuwah, be merciful unto me, heal my soul, for I have sinned against thee. Mine enemies speak evil of me. When shall he die, and his name perish? And if he come to see me, he speaketh vanity. His heart gathereth iniquity to itself. When he goeth abroad, he telleth it. All that hate me whisper together against me. Against me do they devise my hurt. An evil disease, say they, cleaveth fast unto him, and now that he lieth, he shall rise up no more. Yea, mine own familiar friend, in whom I trusted, which did eat of my bread, hath lifted up his heel against me. But thou, O Yahuwah, be merciful unto me, and raise me up, that I may requite them. By this I know that thou favorest me, because mine enemy doth not triumph over me. And as for me, thou upholdest me in mine integrity, and settlest me before thy face forever. Blessed be Yahuwah Elohim of Israel, from everlasting and to everlasting. Amen and amen.